Hello dear friends, welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. If you want to read yourself, please do subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel with right information at right time. Today at a glance, we are going to discuss about this different points: pass out students having backlog, final year students having backlog in different semesters, final year students but previous result not out, 1+1+1 system students, as well as final year students probable exam and intermediate students probable exam. So let's start with this. Now, as you know, that different schools, colleges, educational training, coaching institutes, etc., will be reopened after consultation with the states and union territories. And lockdown 5.0 extended in containment zones till 30 June 2020, announces by Ministry of Health Affairs, as well as West Bengal University's VC Council also recommended suspension of classes till 30th June. So on the basis of this, we are going to answer today pass out students having backlog. What will happen to them? Pass out students, those in different universities, like Calcutta University, Makaut University, they follow Calcutta University follow the old system, 1+1+1 system, because the CBCS system except commerce has not yet been started. So pass out students, those who are having backlog in different semester, maybe different years, sorry, maybe in different years, they have to sit for all together. If the lockdown, after the lockdown of this 5.0, and when university will reopen and sanitization can be done, and that time they have to sit for the examination, and probably it will take place in the last week of July. So it will be a little delay for all the students. Now come, I hope you are getting your answer. Now the next question: final year students having backlog in different semesters, those who are having semester system, like Macau and other universities like Presidency universities and all. Those who are having the backlogs in different semesters, what they need to do is they have to sit for again the same thing all the semesters, along with maybe first semester, maybe third semester, or irrespective of even a odd semester, you have to clear all the semesters with the final year examination. Now if you are a final year student but previous results not out, what will happen? If you are a final year student and previous result not out, definitely in the due course university will publish. Specifically, this happened with Makaut University. Many students, both undergraduate and postgraduate students, specifically the postgraduate students, their third semester students result are not yet come, but still they have to sit for the examination if situation is well as universities will take care of the health and well-being of the students. Now let's discuss about the 1+1+1 system students. Those students currently are in, say the main question arises, if this lockdown continues and students coronavirus or COVID-19 situation is worsened, then what will happen? Say basically the question comes from the first semester students. So first year students, those who are first year, they will only assess on the basis of their class test, assignments, assessments, etc. Now the question comes in for the final year students probable exam. The final year students probable exam again depends on lockdown, as well as the health and safety measures and COVID situation. And if university is going to take the examination, hopefully it will take place in the month of July last week, so it will be delayed again. Universities are trying their level best, but since the students' health come first, so that's why they take this precautionary measure. Or else, if there is no such situation or the COVID situation worsen, then maybe the possibility is there that there will be no examination for the final year students also, like in IIT Kanpur model. Now intermediate students probable exam date, again I repeat, it will be the 4th July, last week of July, means 4th week of July. And uh, basically, if the situation is not normal, then again the situation will be they have to go for this internal assessment plus previous years. Now there is a question like, what is carry forward? Carry forward means like you have got an F in a particular subject, but you have been promoted to the another semester. So the next semester you have to clear that carry forward. Now there are lots of options. You can clear that with the SAM portal. SAM portal is already started it from this 30th June. So basically they opened it up on from 27th of May 2020. So if you are interested, you can go for that. And with this we come to an end to this session. If you have any more queries, you can please feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Stay safe and keep the mental health as well as physical health well. With this, bye bye.